minutes. Shall we wait for 2 more minutes? After 2 minutes, we will continue our session. Okay. Good afternoon, Akash. Good afternoon, Sanjana and Subrat. We will wait for 2 minutes and then we will start. Okay. Yeah, students. Shall we start? I'll just share my screen. I'll just share my screen. So I just want to revise the things within 2 minutes. Okay. May I know? May I expect couple of answers from you? May I expect any responses from you? I'll ask some questions, couple of questions here. Okay. Is that okay? Is my voice okay? First, let me know. Yes, yes. Okay. So, in the previous sessions we have discussed about constructors. Yes or no? And in the previous, in the last class we have discussed this. Yes or no? And what is this? This is a pointer which is available for the which is available for all the member functions which are for all the non-static member functions are there in my class, and it is a hidden pointer which always refers to my current object. Yes or no? And what are all the advantages of this? What are all the advantages of this? I already told you two. I told you two. What is the first advantage of the what is the first advantage of this? Please let me know. Within 1 minute we'll go for our new session. Please, I do want to revise the things. What is the first advantage of this? What is the first program we have revised on that day? Yes, are you there, everyone? Are you there? Yeah, please do reply in the chat box so that I can able to go ahead without any what do you say, doubt. Yes. Okay. What is the advantage of this pointer? What is the advantage through this pointer? What can we achieve? What can we achieve? This pointer can be used in when there is a match in between data member's name and the local, yeah, same variables and the local variable name. When there is a match, Anupam, exactly, thank you. So when there is a match, what happens? We will specify to the compiler exactly this is what my data member. I'll specify this is what my data member. I'll confirm that through this pointer. And what is the next one? What is the next advantage of that? What is the next advantage of that? What is the next advantage of that? Yes. What is the next advantage? Chaining of function calls. Did you remember that? Did everybody remember that? We can achieve function call chaining. That is, without any object, I can able to invoke the multiple member functions on a single object, because that object obviously returns the member function. I can able to through member function I can able to return a reference of the object. So with that reference I can able to invoke as many as functions I can. Yes or no? Function call chaining, method chaining, I can able to achieve through this pointer. Did everybody remember that? Yes, no? Anupam. Only Anupam? Only Anupam? Shazi? Yes. Okay. Okay, fine. Bhavana. Good. Thank you. Thank you, guys. Okay. So, after that, we have discussed about constructor. Yes or no? And how many types of constructors we have? What is the role of the constructor? How many types of constructors we have? Not two. Already we have discussed only two, but today I just want to discuss about the third one. Okay, what is the constructor first? Basically, my question is, what is the constructor? What is the constructor? Constructor is a special function which can be invoked. Which can be invoked. Can we invoke, or will it be invoked automatically? Please let me know. Do we need to invoke the constructor automatically? Exactly, Anupam and Shadi. Yes, because a constructor is a special method which can be invoked automatically at the time of object creation itself. Did everybody understand that? Yes. Okay. So, what are all the types of and constructor is responsible not only for the object creation, and also it can be able to initialize your data members. Through constructor, I can able to allocate the memory for my object, and also I can able to initialize the data members. Understood? Yes. And C++ will provide you a default constructor. Whether you provide or not, C++ will provide a default constructor which does nothing. Generally, it do nothing. But C++ will provide your constructor so that your object will be created. And in Java, generally in Java, the default constructor will assign a proper value. Suppose for int it is 0, for string it is null. Like that it is for double it is going to be 0, point 0. Like that it is going to assign in Java. But in C++ it is somewhat not so proper. It is going to give you some garbage values. It is showing some different behavior. Understood everybody? Did you understand? What is the difference between Java and C++? Of course, you need not know what is going to happen in Java, but for your understanding, I'm telling you. Understood now? Understood? Yes. Good, good. So, how many types of constructors we have? We have altogether we have three constructors. One is zero parameterized constructor, or I can say default constructor also. Look at here. Look at this. Look at this. Please look at the highlighted one. This is called the default constructor as well as zero parameterized constructor. We can call in any way. No, it doesn't. There is no. There won't be any problem if you call anyway. This is called default constructor or zero parameterized constructor. And one more thing. And apart from default constructor, we have parameterized constructor. Yes or no? And what is the disadvantage of the default constructor? What is the disadvantage, guys? Please let me know in the chat box. If I use default constructor for my 10 objects, to initialize data members for 10 objects, what is going to happen? What is going to happen? What is going to happen? They'll take the same values. Exactly, Sanjana and Salvi and Vishnu. Thank you so much. So, the same data will be assigned, the same data will be initialized for all the 10 objects are there in my class. Yes or no? So that to distinguish from one object to the other, to assign different values, what I have used? What is the solution? Parameterized constructor. Yes or no? Parameterized constructor. And we already know how to declare parameters constructor. From main we'll pass the parameters so that they will be cast in the parameters constructor and we can assign with that values. Understood everybody? Understood everybody? Yes? Expecting one S from you. Yes, thank you. So that apart from this, apart from default constructor and parameters constructor, we have one more constructor, that is copy constructor. That is copy constructor. What is copy constructor? What is copy constructor means? Suppose there is a employee data, there is a employee object, employee class. If for that employee class I have created one employee object, and as employee object it is having such a big data, means it is having many multiple data members, and there is a case in real time I need the same data for another object also. I need the same data for another even employee, even e2 also. For employee 2 also I need the same data as employee 1 has. Understood? So in that case, I can able to create, I can able to create the copy constructor. What a copy constructor will do? Creating an object using existing object. I repeat, creating a new object using existing object is called copy constructor. Understood everybody? Understood? And one more point is, like C++ is providing default constructor, it is also providing a default copy constructor for your program. Understood? The C++ will provide you a default copy constructor also, whether you provide or not in your program, but the C++ will give you as a gift. Okay, understood? Okay. So, how a copy constructor is going to be declared? I just want to show you how to declare and how to define that thing today. Okay, please look at this. Please look at this very clearly, because these concepts are very much new to you all. These concepts I won't take not much more than 40 minutes, half an hour, 40 minutes. But please do concentrate on this, everybody. Not only the students who are responding very frequently, but I request all the students, please do respond, please do listen carefully. Once you listen, that's it. You need not go for any other thing, any other material and all. Okay, please do listen, that's it, that is enough. Okay, so please do what is this, what I'll highlight this thing. Please let me know what type of constructor is this. What type of constructor is this? Default. And this, and this, what type of constructor is this? Parameters constructor. Yes, thank you. Parameters constructor, because I have passed one parameter here. One parameter here. Look at this. Look at this. This is what my, in these two cases, in this case parameters constructor is going to be called. Okay, and one more thing, and please do understand what is this. Please do understand what is this. What type of constructor is this? Copy constructor. Because how what I am doing is, please do observe, by this line, at this line I am creating an A1 object. A1 object. So that A1 of 20, as I am passing one single parameter, which constructor is going to be called? Which constructor is going to be called? Parameters. Very good, very good. Thank you. And now there is a need for me. I need to create an A2 object, another object, that is A2 object, which have to be, I just want the same data which A1 is already have. I just want to initialize A2 with A1 data. Then what can I do is, how can I declare the variable is, this is how I can declare an object. Yes or no? A2, A is my class name, this A is my class name, and A2 is my object name, and I am passing A1 as parameter. A1 as parameter. As I am passing, did everybody are there? Are you with me? Please let me know in the chat box. Are you with me? Yes, thank you. So as I want to assign the A2 object with A1 data, I need to pass A1 as parameter. A1 is my object. Yes or no? So as it is an object, at the receiver end, what I can have? What is this? Please let me know. At the receiver end, what I need to have? What I need to have? What is ampersand I? Can you please tell me? What is there? Exactly. Thank you. Very good, Bhavana. That is a reference to my A1 object. What is ampersand over there? At any receiver end, whenever I pass any object, please look at this. Whenever I pass any object at my receiver end, I'll receive that as an reference. I receive that as an reference, as a reference, not an. Okay. So what is reference? An alias. What is reference? An alias. Alias name is another name for my object. The same object I can able to call with my another name, but the same object. Yes or no? So that is the thing I am going to pass as a reference. So what I can do? X, exactly. A is having what? What data member it is having? What data member it is having? X. Yes or no? Now with that, for that X, I am going to initialize with this object I dot X. I dot X. What is I over there? I is a reference to my A1, so that I dot X means A1 dot X. Yes or no? Yes or no? Are you there? Yes. Did you understand? Anupam? Yes. For Anupam it is fine. Thank you. And what about others? Aditya? Good. Still anybody who did not understand? At least if there is anybody, if you don't understand, I'll repeat. Understood now? Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes. Thank you. Thank you so much. So now this is how I can able to declare a copy constructor. This is how I can able to define the copy constructor. Understood? Now, please come here. Please come here. I can even call the copy constructor like this also. Not only like this, not only like this, not only like this, I can even call the copy constructor. I can even assign the data of A1 to A3 even like this also. Yes or no? Understood? Now, A3 equal to A1, not A3. What is that class name? A3 equal to A1. Even in that case also, I can able to call the copy constructor. And I can able to assign the value of x with I dot x. Understood? Understood? Even this also calls the copy constructor. Calls the copy constructor. But please do observe. Please do observe. Please do observe. A4. What is A4? What is A4? A4. What is this? What is A4 over there? A4 is an object. Yes or no? No. Now what I am doing in this statement, in this only single statement, what I am doing? I just declare a variable A4. I just declare a variable A4. But in the next statement, what I am doing? I am assigning A4 with A1. Will it call the copy constructor? Do you think will it call the copy constructor? No, no, Shazi, it will never call the copy constructor, but the data will be copied, no doubt. No doubt the data will be copied. The data will be copied, but it will not call the constructor. Okay, but I'll tell you how it was happened. How it was happened, I'll tell you. I just want to, shall we look at the output? Shall we execute this program? Once I just want to execute this program, then I'll come to this part. Okay? Yeah. Okay, fine. Fine, thank you. Yes, compiled very nicely. And please do observe, initially the parameters constructor called because of this line. I'll make it small so that look at this. Initially, for this line, the first line, the parameters constructor called. Because of I have written one C out there, parameters constructor called. This has happened because of that. And in the second line, what is happened? Copy constructor called. I already told you this is how I can invoke the copy constructor. And the value of A2 is I just assign what I just assigned. I just assign x equal to IAX no, I dot x no. Because of that, not because of that. Generally, whenever I invoke the copy constructor, the contents of A1 is going to be assigned to A2. So A2 value of A2 is 20. Again in the third statement, in the third case, you can say in the third case, not third. This is, I think this is the second, because this is first case and this is the second case. Even in the second case, I can able to invoke the copy constructor. So you got a copy constructor called got printed, and value of A3 is again 20. Yes or no? Value of A3 is again 20 because I just assigned A1. And again in the case 3, what happened in the case 3? Did you get one more thing, one more copy constructor called? Did you get one more copy constructor called statement in the output? Third time. Did you observe? No, right? No, Bhavna, right? Yes, good. Because in this statement, it never calls the copy constructor. Because whenever I just declared in the statement and the assignment in the next statement, whenever I divide the declaration and the assignment, then it won't be called, that copy constructor won't be called. But the copying was done because of this assignment operator. Because of this assignment operator. Here it is called. Did you understand what I am saying? A4 equal to A1. What happened over there? It is the assignment was happened because of equal to symbol. Understood everybody? Did everybody understand what I am saying? Yes? Yes? See, for this equal to never know how to add two objects. I just want to introduce one more small, very important concept too, that is operator overloading. Operator overloading. Actually, this concept is in your fourth unit, but somehow I need to give a brief introduction to that because of this operation. Because A4 equal to A1 means what is that? I just asking that please assign the object of A1 details to A4. But a equal to symbol, an equal to operator never know how to add two objects. It already knows how to add two integers, how to add two floats, how to add two doubles, but it never knows how to add two objects. So that what happens in the C++ in the is the operator is overloaded. The operator is overloaded. Overloaded means one operator have different meanings. One operator has different meanings. Did you remember in the very first slides of our class, how many types of polymorphism we have discussed in the OOPS concepts or something we have discussed, no? How many types of polymorphism we have? Types of polymorphism. Can you able to remember, or shall I say two? Two, no? Yes. Where are the other guys here? Please do respond. Only Dinesh and Bhavana, Shadri. Huh? Yeah, Anupam. Only these people, Shankar. Yeah, good. One is operate. One is overloading and overriding. Overloading and overriding. In overloading, there are two types. Overloading, there are two types. Compile time overloading and runtime overloading. Yes or no? No. Sorry, I'm sorry. See, overloading and overriding. Overriding we don't want to discuss right now. In overloading, there are two types of overloading. There are two types. One is function overloading and one more is operator overloading. Polymorphism is two types, overloading and overriding. Overloading still further divided into two types, method overloading and operator overloading. And method overloading, I'll just give you an example right here in this program. This is called overloading. Can you guess? Is it not an overloading? Can you guess? Can you think? Is it not an overloading? Here, one default constructor. Again, I'm having parameterized constructor. Again, I'm having copy constructor. But everything is on same class. Yes or no? Yes or no? So, a constructor is also a special method. A constructor is also a special method. I can able to say this is a constructor overloading. I can say this as constructor overloading. Constructor overloading. Yes or no? Generally, overloading when it is going to require for a conceptually for a same operation, I can able to override. Suppose I'll give you one example. Please do listen carefully. Suppose I just want to add two numbers. Then I'll call add method which is taking two parameters x and y, int x int y. Again, if I want to call add addition of three numbers. The addition is same, the operation is same, but in C, what I need to say? In C, I need to create different function names for every function. Yes or no? Though the operation is same, I need to define different function names. But in C++, what I can do is, I can say add of int x comma int y. I can say, I'll just write here. I'll just write here. Uh, for to add two integers, I can say int x comma int y. This is one method. Okay. If I want to add three integers, I can say int x, int y, int z. But what is the common thing here? What is the common thing I'm carrying over here? What is common thing? Even for n number of numbers also, if I want to if I want to give addition of even four numbers or five numbers also, the method name is same, but I can able to distinguish the number of parameters. Yes or no? Now the operation is same, so that I can able to have the same method name. I can able to have the same method name. Understood? Understood? Yes or no? But I can able to distinguish between the parameters. I can able to distinguish between the parameters. This is called method overloading. This is called method overloading. Okay, method overloading. But what is operator overloading? And here we have seen what? And here we have seen what type of overloading here? Can you able to guess what type of overloading in this? A, which type of overloading we have seen in this program? In this, from here to here. Just now I told you, no, what name I have given for that yes, method overloading. Okay, but here what are they? Constructor. So it is called constructor overloading. Nandini, of course it is a function overloading, but a constructor is a special type of method, so that we can say that as constructor overloading. We can specify, we can give a specific name. What is that? Constructor overloading. Of course, we just now I have shown you, no, that is add of two integers, add of three. That we can call as method overload. Understood? Understood everybody? Understood everybody? Understood, no? Yes? Yes. And here I just want to discuss the second type of overloading. What is that? Operator overloading. Operator overloading. I just want to give you one simple example. Please do remember, did you remember that? Do you know star? Do you know that this one? This one. Star. What is star? Here. Star we know, right? This one. This star, we can even use, we can, in how many ways we can use that? You please tell me. In how many ways we can use this operator, star operator? In how many ways we can use this star operator? For what? For yes, exactly, Bhavna. Exactly. Good. So yes, guys. So for multiplication and also as a pointer, I can use this star for multiplication. I can use this star even for pointer also. Yes or no? But how it is going to work? At the time, suppose if there is A and B, it can able to work as multiplication. But if I say star P, then it is going to work as pointer. Yes or no? Yes or no? That is how this is the meaning of the operator overloading. This is what? Operator overloading. loading. Understood? An operator, a single operator can be used in multiple ways. Can be used in multiple ways. This is how, this is what I can, this is what, this is what is happening even here in this case also. And equal to, I can able to add any integers, floats and doubles. Now I can, I can even use that equal to operator even between two objects. That is what? That is what? Operator overloading. And how it is going to do? I just want to show you one small program. Is that okay? Otherwise, if we go for that, it may leads to another thing. We will bypass our discussion, I think. So, is that okay? At least did you understand that is happening because of operator overloading equal to operator overloading? Understood now? Understood? If we have still time, I'll discuss at the end. I'll discuss at the end. Okay? Fine? Okay. Now, please do look at this. Please do look at this. What are all the changes I am doing? Please have a look. Please have a look. Please have a look, guys. Uh, uh, did you observe what changes I have made to my program? What I have removed? What I have removed? Ah, yes, I just removed a copy constructor. But did you observe? Did you observe? Is that copy have performed in all these three cases or not three cases? Please accept the third case. Is this two cases or not? The copying happened in these two cases or not? Happened or not? Yes, no? The contents of A1 copied to A2 and A3, no? Did you observe that? Even if I remove my copy constructor in my program also, the copying is happening because of my default copy constructor, which is provided by my, provided by, provided by, provided by C++ compiler. Provided by C++ compiler. And this is called cop. Hello, are you there? Yes or no? The default copy constructor which is available as a free gift by a C++ compiler. So, so this is always, if you don't provide any copy constructor also, it works fine for many times, not all times. If you don't provide copy constructor, that is user defined copy constructor in your program also, it is fine for many times but not all times. Why but not all times? Because whenever exactly this is happen, how this is happen is this copying is called as shallow copy. This copying is called shallow copy. What is shallow copy means? I just want to explain how it is going to be happen. Shallow copy means, please do observe. Please do observe. Please do observe. Please do observe the main method first. From that we will go for the class. Okay. This is the class, demo is my class and D1 is my object. And I have a method, set data method. I can able to invoke the method by using D1 object, and I am passing three integers, that is 4, 5, 7. Yes or no? Why I have used this, I'll let you know. I'll let you know why I have used that. Okay. Now, set data method, it is taking three parameters x, y and z. Now I am assigning x, y, a is equal to x, b is equal to y. And please do observe what are all the data members I am having right here. Right here, what are all the data members I am having? int A, int B, and one integer pointer. Integer pointer. Yes or no? It's not just P. It is a pointer P. Yes or no? How it is? I'll show you. Where is that? Where is that? Where is that? Which object is that? D1, no? Yes. I'll show you like this. Shift 5, and I just want to take my pen, and with this pen, how they are. This is D1 object, no? This is D1 object. This is X. This is Y. X. Of course, please do consider my writing. It was deteriorated because of this. Now, this is what a D1 is having. Yes or no? Did everyone agree? Did everyone agree? Yes. Now, I just want to declare one more D2. I just want to define one more D2, so that I just want to copy the contents of D1 to D2. Again, if I declare D2 also, the same structure is going to repeat, no? The same structure for everybody. Yes or no? Did you understand the class and object relation? Yes or no, guys? Please let me know in the chat box. Yes. Yes or no? Now, in X, I'm having 5, I think. In Y, I'm having 7. In P, I'm having, suppose, 10. I just want to copy the same. In P, I'm having, as it is, as it is a pointer. As it is a pointer. Wait a minute. Eraser. I just want to erase this thing. Now, oh, sorry. Wait a minute. This is how it would be. This is how it would be. Yes or no? Yes or no? Did everybody agree that? With the D1 object, the initialization, did everybody agree? Did everybody agree? And the address of 10 is suppose 100. That 100 would be stored here. That 100 would be stored here. Now, I just want to copy the D1 values with D1 values to D2, so that as I am copying the same member to member copy, the same copy is going to happen. Again 7. Again the same member to member copying is going to be happen. So exactly in star P, what is going to happen? What is going to be stored? Please let me know, everybody. In star P, yes, please. I'm looking at your chat. In star P, what is going to be there? I already told you, it is a member to member copy. The same X I have copied. The same Y I have copied. Base address number will be copied, but not the address will be copied, but not the value. Siddharth, super. So exactly star P here, what is going to happen? What it is going to store? What it is going to store? The same thing, no? The same 100, no? Right. As it is storing the address 100, to which it is going to point? To which it is going to point? To which it is going to point? Like this, no? The same 10, no? Yes or no? This is going to be happen. In the case of, now I am going to introduce one terminology, that is shallow copy. This is called shallow copy. This is called shallow copy. This is going to happen. This is going to happen when the because of the default copy constructor. Because of the default copy constructor. But I'll tell you one disadvantage of the this shallow copy is is suppose in real time, suppose I may have a situation that I do want to delete this d1, this entire d1. Suppose I just want to delete this entire d1. What is going to happen? what is going to happen what is going to happen? What a star p is going to point? This star p is going to point. Is there any 10? Still 10 is there? Yes. There is no. I'll tell you. It is pointing to the star p, the new star p. The star p in D2 is going to point a memory which is already deallocated. Deallocated means it is null. It is null. A pointer which is pointing to null. This is called dangling pointer. I hope the concept is there in C. Dangling pointer. Because of this dangling pointer, the program will give you a different behavior. It is going to show because of this dangling pointers. Understood, everybody? Did everybody understood? Yes or no? Can you repeat? Yeah, sure, Bhavana. Bhavana, there are D1 and D2, right? There are D1 and D2. If I don't provide, if I use the default constructor, the member to member copy is going to happen. This D1 dot x is going to copy it in D2 dot x. D1 dot y is going to copy it in D2 dot y. For that, there is no problem. Till there is no problem. But actually, the problem comes whenever you use any pointers or any dynamic memory allocation story is there in your program. Actually, the problem is whenever you have any dynamic memory allocations or did you use any pointers in your program, then there is a problem for this shallow copy concept. Yes or no? So as it is star p, star p is having an which is pointing to the address of 10. Understood, Bhavana? Are you there? Yes, no? So the pointer, the star p is going to point to this 100. Now the address of this 10 is going to stored in this star p, that is 100. Yes or no? As the shallow copy is going to be happen, that is the default constructor only can do the member copy, the member to member copy. That star p is only having 100, the address of the 10. Yes or no? That same address is going to be stored in even in this D2 star p. Yes or no? So that as it is having the address of 10, it is going to point even the same 10. Yes or no? It never creates one more memory for 10. The same 10 which is pointing to, which is there in D1, for the same 10, the D2 also, the star p is also going to point. So whenever there is a case that if I somehow the D1 was deallocated, the D1 I just deleted the D1. Somehow the D1 was deleted. What is going to happen? Even this 10 also deleted, no? Even that 10 also deleted, no? The memory also deleted, no? The memory deallocated. For that deallocated memory, still there is a pointer which is pointing to nothing. The star p of D2 which is pointing to nothing. That is called dangling pointer. A pointer which is pointing to a deallocated memory, that is null, is called dangling pointer. Understood? Yes or no? Yes. Okay, good. So this entire story, this shallow copy, this is called shallow copy. This is called shallow. Okay, fine, ma'am, not a problem. This shallow copy story is going to be happen through your default constructor. That is, default constructor means the constructor which is provided by your C++. But in this case means whenever you are having pointers, whenever you are having dynamic memory allocations, you need to create your own user defined copy constructor. Understood how it is going to happen? I just want to show you. Again, it has to be like this. It has to be like this. It has to be like this. It never should be like this. Okay? Okay? Understood? Yes. There are the others. Guys, are you there? Guys, are you there? Did everybody understand? Shravan? Okay. Dinesh? Fine. Still anybody? Anybody? Yes. Please look at this now. Please look at this. I'm having one pointer. Same thing. Just now I have drawn some rough work. No, I have drawn some rough work, some lines, many lines. So in the same way, I'm having A and B and star P. Now using this set data method, I am assigning this whatever the data I'm passing in the main 4, 5, 7, that is to be assigned to A, B and star B. Did everybody understand? Did everybody understand? Now what is going to happen? What is going to happen? The shallow copy story will be repeated here. Understood everybody? Understood everybody? Understood everybody? The shallow copy is going to be happened here. I just want to execute this. How did you understand this? Did you understand this? Everybody? Everyone? What is happening over there? What is happening? Copy constructor is going to be invoked. Whether you provide copy constructor, then it is going to call your copy constructor. If you don't provide, the C++ default copy constructor is going to be called. Okay, fine. Now I just want to execute. Understood? I just executed for what? 4, 5, 7 and for what? D2.show data. I just printed the data for D2 object, the second object. Did everybody observe? I think. I hope everybody observed that. Right? Fine. Understood? Everybody. Now this is the story of shallow copy. Now we are going to enter the case of deep copy. That is, now this program is about deep copy. What is deep copy? What is deep copy? Please look at this. Please do look at this. Now. Please have a look. Please do analyze the things which I have mentioned over there. And if you don't understand, let me know. If you don't understand, please do let me know here in the chat box. What is happening in this? What is happening? The first statement A equal to, I hope everybody understood what is ampersand D. I need not repeat. I hope so. What is ampersand D? Demo ampersand D. Reference. Very good. Reference operator. Reference to object. Now with that reference, I can able to assign the D dot A to A, D dot B to B. Till there, everybody clears. I hope everybody cleared till second statement. I hope so. Now, what is happening in the third one? What is happening in the third statement? T equal to new int. What is happening over there? This entire thing is for D2, the second object. Please do remember that. Please visualize the memory structure. Yes, understood Sanjana? Yes, the new memory is going to be created for P here. For that P, I'm going to assign the same star P. Did everybody understood what I have done over there? Did everybody understood? Yes, no? Yes. Now how it would be? How it would be? I'll show you again. Within 1 minute. I'll draw very fast. Don't worry. This is D1. This is X. This is A. This is B, and this is star P. A is 4. This is 5. This is 7. So not 7. I mean the address of 7. Right? The address of 7. Yes or no? I'm sorry if I am taking much time to draw all these things. Maybe 10. Maybe 10. Yes or no? Now same A 4 B, same thing 5 copied. Now at point of this, that is P, what is going to happen? A new memory is going to be created for P. A new memory is going to be created, and in that P, what I am going to do? New int means a new memory is going to be created, and in that memory I am going to, what, this is star P, no? This is star P again. Star P. Within that memory, suppose this may be 200. The newly created variable is taking, suppose address is 200. Now this address is 200. In that, star P equal to star of D dot A means D dot P. Sorry, this is P. I'll write once again. Star P equal to star of D dot P. What is going to happen? What is going to happen? Understood now, everybody? Did everybody understood? This is what I have done in that bit of code, right? Yes or no? Yes or no? Value is 10, but address is 200. Yes, exactly. Exactly, Sanjana. Because in D dot P, what is there? In D dot P, what is there? 100. Star D dot P means star of, I'll take once again my pen. 1 minute. Star of 100 means, what is there? Star of 100 means 10. That 10 I have assigned here. Understood, everybody? Understood, everybody? Everybody, I'm asking everybody, please do respond here. Did everybody understood what I have done there? Yes, no? Very good, super, good. Pujita, where were you all this time? No? Where were you all this time? Shall I go back? Shall I go back? Please let me know. Good. Good, friends. Thank you. Sanjana, understood, no? Yes. Now, here, this statement is going to call that constructor as it is having pointer concept, as it is having my program is having pointers. Must and should I need to provide user defined constructor or a copy constructor, so that I may not have any dangling pointers in my program. This is called deep copy. This is called deep copy. In deep copy, you will not get any dangling pointers. What is dangling pointer? A memory which is already a pointer which is pointing to a memory which is already deallocated. Understood, everybody? Understood, no? Everybody, everyone, please let me know one response. Please do respond here so that I'll go for already time is 43, 44, 45. Okay, I just want to I'll execute this. Uh, I know, but internally for 7 also a new memory got created. That's how the program demo copy constructor 3 and demo copy constructor 2 were differed. Okay, understood, everybody? Yes. Shall we go for the task, or shall I tell you how the operator overloading this only one program? Shall I tell you, or shall we go for the task? Your wish. It's your wish. It's up to you. Whatever you say, I'll follow that. It's fine for me. It's fine for me. Shall we go? Yes. Task. Good. Okay. Fine. Yes, I just started copy constructor shallow thing, and please follow the comments over there. I just written comments for every part of the code. At that part of the comment, you need to write what is the proper code which is required. You need to write. I hope everybody and I know that. Yes or no? Because I have used the constructors over there instead of set data methods. Yes or no? So you people need to practice how to write constructors and all. That is what my opinion to give like that. Okay, I just started one program. Now it is 45. Please do take 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, I just want to start second one. Okay, good. Yes, Sanjana and the seventh. Done. Good. So I will start the second task after 2 minutes. Okay, let others also complete this task. So after 2 minutes I will start. Okay. Okay. Good. Good storage. Out of 226 students, only 4 students completed the first task. So I request everyone to please complete the first task first. Okay, very simple. Already it is based on the discussion which we have in the class. So please do that. Yes, students, I am going to start the second one. So whoever completed the first one, please go for the second one. But please, everyone, please do complete both tasks. Okay. Students, are you doing? Students, are you doing? Where is Shravya and Anirudh? Shravya and Anirudh. Hasya. Hasya, are you there? Shravya, Hasya. Yeah, Shravya. Okay. Have you done the first task? Did you complete the first task? Or doing? Yeah. Yes. Where is Sonika? Sonika, Aaron, Amulya, Shivani. Shivani is here. Is Shivani here? Please respond in the chat box. Amulya and Shivani. Yes, Shivani, are you doing? Yes. Okay. Dhavalika Reddy. Dhavalika Reddy. Is Dhavalika Reddy here? Have you now? Yes. Dhavalika completed first task. Did you complete the first task? Okay, Dhavalika, please go ahead. Mahesh Babu. Mahesh Babu, Sri Krishna, Venkata Sai Krishna, Sri Krishna, Abhishek Sri Krishna. Naveen and Sai Rohit. Naveen and Sai Rohit. Naveen and Sai Rohit. Is Sai Rohit here? Naveen, Ayush. Okay, I hope they are not here. I don't know. I don't even know they are doing or not. Only 46 people completed the first task out of 230. May I know the reason? Did anybody stuck at any point of time? Anybody? Aish, okay, okay, Aish, please, please do this, and I'll give you 10 to 15 minutes of time more. So I'll keep them still on. Please do that, everybody. I just want to stop my recording.